Hi there, welcome back to our Phone Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about AppSamurai, which is basically um, a platform that helps your app, specifically, let's say, I think mobile apps, with the user acquisition and accelerate growth, okay, using AI. So first of all, we can see that um, the the headline is somewhat clear. I guess it could be clearer. The sub-headline is a lot more transparent about what they do. Okay. And also they might be more transparent about actually what this user acquisition mechanism implies. But if we scroll down, we can see that they talk about things like recommendations on the actual targets funds. But either way, we can see a lot of huge credibility from the brands that they've worked with, and some really high profile brands like Nike, Domino's, Amazon, and Pet Plus, Max, stuff like this. So this is very strong credibility from the get-go. Okay, and here they go more in depth about how they basically are able to market your app with advanced AI-powered tools for user acquisition. So it's more about marketing again. And here they talk about all the beautiful stats that they're able to achieve for the clients, like a 45% increase in D1 retention and 119% long-term return on ad spend achieved, which is great if you're interested in increasing the reach of your mobile app if you've got one. And here they've got even more credibility in terms of their operators and OEMs, especially associated to Samsung, T-Mobile, Nokia, Xiaomi, Tecno, Lenovo, Huawei. So a lot of credibility with a huge number of high-profile brands. And the good thing is that they've also got a lot of social proof through the addition of these five-star reviews. Like, for example, this person stating that they've been able to boost return on ad spend and lifetime value via rewarded playtime. Okay, so this is really good for any prospect watching this that might be considering um, investing into this platform, right? And they've also got some really strong case studies that you can read for yourself. Okay, and they've also got a contact form at the bottom of the page that you can go if you actually want to start a conversation. And I'd say it's quite a strong form because it's not um, too long because we usually see a decrease in performance if the form is too long. In terms of conversions, I was gonna say they could have potentially added the frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page in order to um, handle any objection that a prospect might have in their minds before buying. And also, I don't really see a pricing page, so I assume that is locked behind a actual demo, demonstration call. So they you're gonna have to actually fill out your the contact details before you get a quote, which is, I guess, ideal if you want more qualified leads, even though you are therefore sacrificing a little bit of the um amount, the full amount of leads that you could have gotten. But I guess that is also an option if you are more interested in having qualified prospects. And also in terms of conversions, what we could use is things that we call heat maps in order to check exactly on the page where prospects are clicking and directing their attention. And through the use of some A/B tests on the page, we can find the more optimal placements of certain elements like CTAs or certain text in order to maximize conversions on the page. Okay, so these are some of the things that we might try. But other than that, I think we came to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.